Alright guys, so I'll show you how to do the CAPTCHA thing. I'll show you real quick uh, how it looks on the website. There you go. If I go into login, if I go into sign out, so if I go ahead and try and make a new account without using the CAPTCHA, so if I do test tutorial at email.com and I do a random password, and I do say Robert. Hello, Robert. And if I don't press the thing, it's gonna tell me, there you go, reCAPTCHA verification failed, please try again. So I need to press it absolutely, and I just tested it, it works. Alright, so first thing, you need to add the reCAPTCHA gem to your gem file. So you just reCAPTCHA like that, all in not capitals, but I'll say small letters. Forgot what the word was, but yeah. So basically, there you go. I had it there. reCAPTCHA. You can also add better errors if you want to get better errors on your thing, but it's not with the tutorial. So, alright. So gem reCAPTCHA require reCAPTCHA slash rails, just like that. I'll do like a paste event with everything you need in it. Alright. So now that you have it, you know to do the rest, like bundle install. Now, whenever it's installed, you wanna go to the reCAPTCHA website. So it's from Google, so that's an API. You wanna make a reCAPTCHA v2, because that's the one with the checkbox. The v3 works with a score. So yeah. So you wanna make one. Then you wanna make. See right there. I had it like the domain name, the my localhost. I added like the domain. You just add localhost if you wanna try localhost. Then put it for your website too. Alright, so right now we have like I have the honors and everything. So now that's when it's done, you get the keys. You need to get there's two keys. There's the side key and then uh, there's the secret key. I don't know where they are, but yeah, reCAPTCHA key. Ah, there you go. They're there. So you take your keys, then you want to go inside the application.yml right there, application.yml. Alright, and reCAPTCHA side key, reCAPTCHA secret key, like that. And you really don't need to like include it somewhere, like say you really don't need to, unless you wanna. You can make an initializer. If you guys want to know how to do it, I'll make another tutorial on that. But I don't think you guys will need it because it works with that anyways. So yeah, you just need those. You need to type it exactly like that. You can't type anything else or else it's not gonna work. So really side key and secret key. Then after that, restart your application, restart your server and stuff. Then like the basic is set up. You have your keys and the reCAPTCHA gem is installed. So now we need to go inside our console, and we want to type rails g devise controller and then users. I'm not gonna type it because I already did it. But yeah, that's the command. I'm just want to make sure. Yeah, that's the command. Rails generate device controller users. Then when you have your users controller generated, we're first off we're gonna go inside the routes.rb file, and inside the routes.rb file you want to copy this line. So I'll put it in the paste bin. So device for users, controllers, registration user. And if you might already have this one, device for users. You want to comment it out because right now, if I have all of these uncommented, it gives me an error because I already have something using device. So I need to find a way to like put all of these inside one. So this is for the reset, the password reset thing, and this is for the session, the login thing. Sessions is for logins, passwords for password reset, and registration is for new accounts. So alright, so now that when you have that, that tells device to use our custom controllers instead of the default ones included inside the gem. So now when you're since your routes.rb is correctly set up with your controller, you want to go inside your controllers thing. You're gonna see a new folder called users, Inside the users folder, you want to go inside registrations controller, and you want to copy and paste that. I'll put it inside the paste bin, or I'll put the GitHub link if you guys prefer for. It's from devise, so yeah, you just put that in, and then after that, as I already mentioned, we need to do that thing. We already did it. All right. So now, so these are for the session controller, password controller. These are for the password reset and the login page and stuff. Alright, so now that this is done, you need to go inside your views. So you want to go inside the device view, registrations, inside new.html.erb, you want to add that thing, div class field, then you want to do flash reCaptcha error, so that's to show the error, and you want to put reCaptcha tags, and that's to actually show the reCaptcha thing. So yeah, so that's what you put inside. I'll put a paste bin with everything you need to make it work. So now that it's done, whenever that is done, your controller is done and everything, your thing should work normally. So restart your server and try it, and you should see that your captcha is there. So yeah, so try it before, don't press the captcha, try it and make sure that it works correctly, because yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, the tutorial, and if you have any more questions, just slack me and I'll try to answer you.